Assalamu alaikum. We will continue about the unit 3, lesson number 1. I hope to finish your homework. Now we can classify the flower according to its sex into male flower and female flower and bisexual. Bisexual, it's a hermaphrodite flower. Hermaphrodite means bisexual, so this flower contains male reproductive organ, but male flower it's contains 3 floral whorls only: sepal, petal, female reproductive organ, or calyx, corolla, gynoecium. Male reproductive organ, it's present in male flowers, so it's contain 3 floral whorls only: sepal, petal, and endricium. Calyx or calyx, corolla, and dricium. But in bisexual or hermaphrodites, it contain 4 whorls: sepal, petal, endricium, and gynoecium. Like this picture. Now we will continue speaking about the type of classification of flower according to its section. Okay. Sexual reproduction, reproduction in plant. How this reproduction it's occur by pollination and fertilization. What is meant by pollination? It's a transfer pollen grain from plant to another. How it's a transfer from plant to another? Like this picture. If I have the same plant or in the same flower, يعني this is the same stem carry both flower in the same stem or one plant. This one plant contain female and male, so pollen grain transfer from one to another, from anther to stigma in the same flower. And another picture here, it's a 2 flower in the same stem, transfer from a pollen grain from anther to stigma for another flower from the same type and the same stem. So it's called self-pollination. But mixed pollination or cross-pollination, it's transfer from plant to another plant from its kind, from anther, from first plant to stigma another plant, and vice versa, from plant to another plant in another stem, but in all of them the same kind. So it's a mixed pollination. Why it's a mixed pollination sometimes occur? Anther and stigma not mature at the same time, and flower may be unisexual. But in self-pollination, both matured at the same time, and non-polling bloom. Non-bloom means non-opening flower until completing fertilization process. Okay, you can watch video with me. Okay, mixed pollination may occur by wind or insect, like this picture. This insect can transfer from plant to another, or by wind. This wind can transfer pollen grain from place to another, from plant to another. Or by man. Man can transfer like palm tree, make self-pollination by man because it's difficult for transfer pollen grain from plant to another, from palm tree to another tree, like this. In this picture, it's a different shape for pollen grain. Okay, you can see this video. Transferring from plant to another, so it's a cross pollination. Or by water, by wind, and another or different way. This is by man. Okay. So what is the difference here between by wind or by insect? The important point, petal for by insect, it's masked, colored, and scented because to attract insect to feed them on its nectar. Pollen grain, it's sticky and heavy, coarse surface. What is meant by coarse surface? So it's rough surface. Why? Because to stick to insect body يبقى لازم تكون sticky and rough to stick to insect body. يبقى number one, petal, it's colored and scented. Number two, pollen grain, it's sticky and coarse surface. But in the wind, I don't need colored and scented petal, but I need answer. Answer are hanged. Hanged like shape of hop. It's inclined shape, near to inclined sometimes, to be easily opened by air. It's easily opened by air. It's not straight, not hard. It's hung to by moving any wind or air. It's opened easily. Number two, pollen grain, dry and light. Why it's dry and light? To be easy carried by air. If it's heavy, don't carry by air. So I need it dry and light. And it's maybe lost by air or fall down in water or by soil, or don't reach to a specific plant. So it's produced by huge number to compensate what are lost in air. The last point, stigma. Stigma in this case, the case of by wind, are feathery, like, and sticky. What is meant by feathery? It's like feather or baby hair, like attract or collect the pollen grain from air. Okay. It's artificial by man. This by insect. Another picture by man. It's artificial pollination by man. I hope it's clear. Steps of fertilization. Now we will end this video and continue in another video to speaking about fertilization. Okay, goodbye and see you.